All right, how's it going, YouTube? Back out with the Xtm. I did put it back on 8S. If y'all recall in the drag racing video, excuse me, I had it on 8S, but I did have it turned down, and I thought I turned it up, but I had it on the wrong setting. So hopefully today I got it worked out. I got the GPS up there. We're gonna go ahead and zero it out. I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up, and then we'll get back to that. All right, guys, let me zero out the GPS. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what's going on, but timer zeroed out. GPS started. Hopefully y'all seeing that. But anyway, this is gonna be some 8S test pull. This ain't really a speed run. I got on mild drag gearing. I just want to see when I turn it up if it's gonna react to me turning it up. I ran around like 2.3, 2.4, maybe even at a 2.2 that day on 8S. But if y'all, I'll put some and that's on 8S turned down, but turn down, y'all. I want to make sure it's handling it before I go throw a bunch of power at it and blow something up. Let's just see what we ran. That was only 31. That wasn't nothing. I know I was getting 60. It's getting about 60 on a tree. Tree could fool you though. So let's turn this bad boy up. See if that does anything. It sounded like it picked up some speed there. Let's bring it in. See if the GPS picked up that. Still at 31. Let's stop. Timer stop. Let's reset that. That just ain't right. Timer started. Hopefully y'all seeing everything. Go ahead and crank it up some more. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get a hit off the line real quick. Got a car coming behind me. Still feel like it's pulling slow to me. Bring it back here. We gotta touch this motor, make sure I ain't burning it out. It's pretty cool. Alright, y'all. Let's see what it do. Not hitting hard off the line like I wanted to. I'll do some adjustments. She's rolling nice and straight though. Give it that. Let me actually see something. All right. Let's get a test. That was 74. It wasn't bad. We had to restart it, test the motor temps and everything, and then we'll probably get one more. How's it going, to? Back out with the Xtm. Earlier I had it set on adjustable to my remote to move the power up and down. For some reason it wasn't working, so I just took everything off, and I'm gonna test it right now on 8S. I got the GPS up there. Feel like it has more power on the bench, so we're gonna go ahead and set it up and then go from there. So y'all stay tuned. All right, you two, got the car on, everything's set up. Let's go ahead and zero out the GPS. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Timer started. It already jumped up and I ain't even do nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and clear that. Sorry about that, guys. I ain't like that. Damn, timer started. I think my tighten that up a little bit. Timer started. Alright, hopefully y'all seeing that. Zeroed out. Alright, let's go ahead and get this run on ADAS. See if she hold up or she blow up. I believe I got a scooter coming down and a car. We'll go ahead and let them pass and then we'll take it down. Not looking for no major numbers. Just want to test, see if I can lay this power down. If I'll put in a video when we did the drag racing testing tune. The car was on ADAS, but it wasn't performing like it was. It was running good numbers, but could have did better. I got a car coming that way too. I got this slow bike. I think I'm just gonna restart and we'll get back to it. But I'll just start showing the GPS and go right into the run once he passes. All right, guys, he down there. So GPS is zeroed out once again. Timer started. Hopefully y'all seeing all that. Let's go ahead and get this run in so we get some more traffic. Alright guys, we're gonna bring it down. Here she comes. Asked me, I think she was sparking, like she sat down too low. That's just me. Did feel like I was getting more power. Earlier I did get believe it was 57. Hey, so I know the power was limited. It's limited right now. And I could tell why, because I only got 58 on ADAS. I'm saying that ain't right, but I know what it is. All right, how's it going, too? Back out with the Xtm. I did change the motor if y'all caught the live last night. So this is after I done tried it with the sensing motor and all of that. So GPS zeroed out, timer started. This is gonna be another ADAS run. I'm not looking for no high speed. This is just testing it out. Just actually want to make sure that she's getting more power. For some reason I wasn't getting no power. It's windy out here today, guys. Whole different temperature from yesterday. But, see what I got a car coming. Sorry about that, guys. Let me get in the corner over here. Oh, it's windy out, guys. I hope y'all can hear me. Just want to get a test hit in and a speed pass just to see what she do. Got another one coming down over there. Not sure if he gonna turn in or what. Sorry about that, guys. Just gonna get a quick test hit in. Want to see if it's shutting down. Wasn't really shutting down yesterday. It just wasn't giving me power. I'm not sure what was going on. Feel like he got plenty of power now. We're gonna see though. It's gonna be a quick blast. I wasn't sure if it was grinding on the floor Gotta look back at the video and yeah, she grinding. That might be the gearing. See what happened. Hey guys, first let's get it out the road. She was moving pretty decent, I'll tell you that much. I turned the thing. Let's see what we got. Hold on guys, sorry about that. We got 91. That wasn't bad. 91, that's the max speed. The other numbers I was just reading was pressing a button, but 91, that was good. Let's see what happened. Hearing some noise up in there. So I'm getting more power. I don't know what it was. I'm guessing it was that motor. It was sensitive and everything was running right with it. I know with the castle motor I was getting more power, but ever since I switched over, I'm not sure what happened. Oh, I see what happened. I broke my alright guys, so right before I left the house I had put a screw in that diff. If y'all remember, I told y'all about that. Hopefully y'all seeing that. But I had put a screw in that diff, and not in a diff, in a spool. That screw came out. I'm thinking that screw excuse me, got caught up on the spool and broke it, because right down there I did see something fly out. I thought it was sparks. So now I gotta order another one of those. It did good. It did good. It definitely got a lot of power. I don't plan on running it with 8S, but this is the only batteries I got right now that'll give me more power than 4S. So I figure let me get it out on 8S. I do want to do some adjustments. Hopefully everything should be right. I'm thinking that just the screw that came out, that's why my my thing broke. My spool broke, my gear should I say. But I did get 91. Let me turn this car off guys, sorry about that. Talking the whole time with the thing on. But yeah, I did get 91. Make sure y'all see that. It's not bad. I believe I hit 98 on 6S with this, so I'm gonna get it back on 6S, and that was with drag gearing. So I was holding it as well, so it did had all this power in it. All right guys, thanks for tuning in. More to come from this. Just gotta order another part now, so she'll be down till that comes. All right guys, stay tuned.